In this video, I will be showing you how to upload wedding invitations on Canva. Let's get started. First, I start by navigating directly to the main Canva homepage, where I am greeted by the clean central search bar asking what I would like to design today. I click inside the search bar and carefully type out the words wedding invitations. As I type each letter, Canva automatically generates a list of suggested search queries right below the search field, but I go ahead and press enter on my keyboard to search for all matching invitation layouts. Once the search results load, I am presented with a vast grid showcasing different design templates and existing projects. I move my mouse cursor toward the top right side of the Canva templates section and click on the See All button. This opens up the dedicated templates directory, giving me a much broader view of available options and layout styles. Right at the top left corner of this templates page, I click on the Create Blank button, represented by a large white box with a plus sign. This immediately opens a fresh, blank canvas in a brand new browser tab, pre-formatted and perfectly sized to the standard invitation proportions. With my new canvas ready on screen, I direct my attention over to the far left sidebar menu and click directly on the Uploads tab. Inside the Uploads panel, I click on the prominent purple Upload Files button located near the top. This opens up my computer's local file explorer window, allowing me to browse through my saved files. I navigate directly into my Downloads folder. Scroll down to find the image file titled Tropical Wedding Invitation. Select it with my mouse and click the Open button. The image immediately begins uploading into my personal Canva media library, showing a small status bar that tracks the progress. As soon as the upload completes, I click on the image thumbnail from the sidebar panel to insert it directly onto my blank canvas. To ensure it covers the entire layout neatly without needing manual adjustments, I right-click on the image to open the Quick Options menu, scroll down, and click Set Image as Background. The invitation automatically snaps into place, filling the full canvas seamlessly. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to upload wedding invitations on Canva.